Nice little keyboard. Actually, the instructions come on a QR code. Actually, take the ebook off of the QR code or the website when you hit enter to go to the actual website so you can get to the instructions, but the instructions are actually on the Amazon page as well. From what I found, just keep hitting the insert to change the keys or whatever you needed to do. Basically, this range of area here will do everything. The page down changes the side light, as you can see. I like the light blue because that's kind of my favorite color. That one. And then the function delete. And the pause. Just basically cycles through a few colors. And all in all, it's actually a good, it's a good little keyboard. It's very clicky, I will say. I did take the screws out of the wrist rest. Because it does come with it where you can actually fold it and put it up underneath. I don't like that function because I actually have a tray that I keep my keyboards on. I have this same tray at my actual office, but this tray works for any size keyboard. And I like it so I can be able to see the keys a little bit better. And I didn't like the folding the wrist flat, so I didn't use that. But I did take the mini screws. These are mini screws, but they have like a mini screw. And I did just screw them back into the base just so dirt and dust wouldn't get into those little holes. But other than that, the keyboard, you know, works pretty well. I've had it for 2 days now, and I kind of like what it, you know, I like the effects of it. So, good stuff. I definitely recommend this keyboard. If you want a quiet one, this is not the one for you. And yeah, good stuff to have. Nice little keyboard. I didn't have any issues, no cracked keys. Came perfectly packaged. So sorry I didn't unbox for you, but this was the packaging mine came in. And a little plastic bag, and then a tool as well. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope this guys helps with your decision or choice. But it's a cute little keyboard to have, you know, just for everyday use or work from home. I'm a day trader, so that's what I use it for. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Sawgrass Sports Service, how can I help you?
What's up?
Yeah, whenever you're ready to come in, you can just come in. If the advisor's available, we'll have you meet with him.
Alright, take two. See, I just turned it on. Now, here's what it's doing on its own. Right now it's just I, but it's gonna go crazy. It's gonna do its own thing. Yeah, this is my keyboard. It's fucking up. Oh, there it goes. Does its own fucking thing. This keyboard is completely useless. I can't. See, I'm not pressing anything. This keyboard ain't doing it. I don't know what to say. My brother says hire a priest.
This is important work I'm doing.
Thanks. Maybe we change it to at last we are face to face.
Let's cut it since you don't want to say it. They'll communicate with the look.